Hello friends, welcome to House of Apps English. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can get your CIF number or customer ID number from RBL MoBank application. Without wasting any time, we are going to start the video. But before that, if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. So the very first thing you have to do is just simply open RBL MoBank application in your mobile phone. It doesn't matter if you're using an iPhone or an Android phone, the process is going to be same. Once you open the application, select login option, enter the MPIN, or you can just simply scan your fingerprint to complete the login process. Now, once the application is completely started, this is the kind of basic interface you will be able to see on your mobile screen. Now, you get multiple options on the home screen. You can check out your name, you can check out your account number, balance, and you get some payment option over here. Now, if I select my info option, it will take me to the account info page, and over here again you can check out your name, your account number, your IFSC code and branch. But it is not showing CIF number or customer ID number over here. Now, one thing you have to keep in mind is that in RBL MoBank application, you won't find CIF number in application anywhere. So what if you want to get CIF number? You can still get it from application, but for that all you have to do is just simply go to statement option, select statement whichever you want. Now once you get statement, after that all you have to do is just simply select download option. Now I have got the statement. Let's select download option over here, select a date range and select download over here. Now, once the statement is downloaded, all you have to do is just go to downloads folder wherever it is, and you can open the statement. Now, once you get the statement, all you have to do is just simply zoom in, and over here you can check out the details related to your account, and in that you can check out CIF ID, which is CIF number, or you can call it as customer ID number. So yeah, CIF number, you can use it to change your password, or if in case you don't remember your net banking user ID, you can also use CIF number, and there are other ways to get your other details over there. But yeah, you can use CIF number for getting your password or user ID. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.